गौराविर्भाव में सज्जन प्रिय वैष्णव सार्वभौम श्री जगन्नाथ वाञ्छा कल्पतरुश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्यैव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमः। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासदि श्री गौरभक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। कृष्ण हईते चतुर्मुख हरे कृष्ण सेवन ब्रह्मा होए नारदे दुराचारी
रूपे पाइबो सेवा मुई दुराचार
श्री गुरु वैष्णवेर अति दया
श्री गुरु वैष्णवेर अति
अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुर्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्णप्रेमप्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्णचैतन्यनाम्ने गौरतिसे नमः। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिन्धु दीनबन्धो जगत्पते गोपीश गोपिकान्त राधाकान्त नमोस्तुते। तप्त काञ्चन गौराङ्गी राधे वृन्दावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि। ॐ वृन्दावै तुलसी देव्यै प्रिया वै केशवस्य च कृष्णभक्ते प्रदे देवी सत्तवत्सले। वञ्चाकल्पतरुश्च कृपासिन्धुभ्येव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्णप्रेमप्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्णचैतन्य नाम्ने गौरतिसे नमः। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिन्धु दीनबन्धो जगत्पते गोपीश गोपिकान्त राधाकान्त नमोस्तुते। तप्त काञ्चन गौराङ्गी राधे वृन्दावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि श्री गौरभक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। So discard. Sri Madhurya Kadambini Grantha composed by Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad. Very nice, beautiful. This Grantha, Madhurya Kadambini. In this Grantha, first chapter, Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur glorified about Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's magnificent and magnanimity. Udaryamay Sachinandana Gaurari. And Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu indiscriminately he distributed the highest praise to everyone. He did not discriminate which qualified or which unqualified. Jari dekhe tare dhan prem bilaiya. In this Kali Yuga, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he distributed the highest prem to everyone. Who is coming in front of him, he is giving Krishna prem. Even some also, they don't want to come in front of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu chasing behind to them and caught their sikha. You know, you have sikha now. Okay? And by force gave them the highest fame. And especially Sarva Bhattacharya, he left in Navadvip Dham, then he was staying in Jagannath Puri. But Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, And after taking sannyas, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu arrived in Jagannath Puri. And he also gave the highest prem to Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya. Actually, Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya is called the incarnation of Brihaspati. Brihaspati Avatar. Just he is acting the role of impartial, impartialist. This Leela is doing this way. But anyhow, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu by force gave him the highest Braja Prem. Then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he also traveled South India and he traveled and he also defeated many Mayavadi, Kurmi, Gyani, Jogi and other sampradaya. And especially here Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad glorified Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's magnanimity. How Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu so much love and affection with his own entities. Takta Sudhistadya Sripsta Rajya Lakshmi Dharmishta Arja Vajasa Jadgarn Arnam Maya Mirgam Dite Sutam Bandhi Maha Purushate Charanarvand. Srimad Bhagavatam, 11th canto, the conversation between 9 rishis and Nemi Maharaj. And once 9 rishis, Kavi, Bhavi, Antaraksha, Pitpala, very high class, exalted, bona fide, sadhu rishi, they came and in the courtyards of King Nemi Maharaj. That time Nemi Maharaj, he asked many questions. And 9 sadhus, they also gave one answer of Nemi Maharaj. So one sadhu, Nemi Maharaj, he asked one question to the sadhus, 9 rishis. In this Kali Yuga, who is our worshipful deities? Ishtadev kaun hai? Who is our worshipful deities? And how would you know he is our worshipful deities? And that time, among the 9 rishis, one is very nicely and scientific way explained this. In this Kali Yuga, same Krishna, he will come in the form of Sachinandana Gaura. And he will give up all his attachment, asakti, with his name, fame, reputation. Even his wife, he will give up everything. And he will take sannyas and he will preach Nam Sankirtan all over the world. For this regard, one slok mentioned in Srimad Bhagavatam ji. In this Kali Yuga, who will be Bhagavan? So saying the word, Takta Sudhistajam Sudhishta Rajya Lakshmi Dharmishta Arja Vachasha Jidgarna Arnam Maya Mirgam Daipti Sitam Bandi Maha Purushate Charanarvindam. Very nice, beautiful this sloka. Yeah, how will you know in this Kali Yuga, he is our Ishtadeva, worshipful deities. So saying the Takta Sudhistha Sripsutta Rajya Lakshmi Dharmishta Arja Vajasha Jadgarna. In this matter, everybody wants lot of wealth, money, name, fame, reputation. Is it true? But in this Kali Yuga, who will be Bhagavan? Only he absorbs chanting holy names, Nam Sankirtan. Saying Takta Sudhistha Suripsta Rajya Lakshmi Dharmishta Arja Vachasha Jadgarnayam. Hmm? So, how do you know he is Bhagavan? Now he will give up all his attachment. That means he will take sannyas. Takta Surya Rajya Lakshmi Dharmishta Arja Vachasha. And always he will follow the instruction of the Arja Lok. Arja Lok means there are two kinds of people in this material. Material one is Arja, another is called Anarja. Anarja means those who are not following all the rules and regulations of the scriptures. They are called, what is it? Anarja. Or Arja means those who following the footsteps and he worships with Thakurji. He has faith with Lord. For this regard, he is called Arya. So Takta Sudhishta Dharmishta Arya Vachasha. Here, Arya Vachasha. As when he will follow the instruction of a Brahmana. Dharmishta Arya Vachat Karna. This is the word in Srimad Bhagavatam. How will you prove the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Bhagavan? This verse very clearly explains. Because in this Kali Yuga, who is our worshipful deities? Nimi Maharaj asked this question. He is saying that Takta Sudhishta Dharmishta Takta Sudhishta Surishta Rajya Lakshmi. And everybody hankering Rajya Lakshmi, wife, wealth, money, name, fame, reputation. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he will give up everything. He will give up his wife, give up his name, fame, reputation. And always you are chanting holy names. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So they were Takta Sudhishta Surishta Rajya Lakshmi. Dharmishta Arja Vacha. Dharmishta Arja Vachasha. Arja Vachasha means always follow the instruction of Brahmana. Understand? Once Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he was chanting holy names in the house of Srivas Thakur with the incarnation of Narad Rishi. Naam Sankirtan in the house of Narad Rishi, Srivas Thakur. And that time Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu closed their house, door, window, everything. Only his own parikar, associates, chanting holy names and performing Naam Sankirtan, dance. Naam Sankirtan. No one knows who is outside. But inside the house of Srivas Thakur, only Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Sarup Damodar, and others. In the meantime, one Brahmana came, and Brahman knocked the door. Nimai, Nimai, Nimai. At that time, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu completely absorbed and chanting holy names. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So no one can listen. But that Brahmana, again and again, he knocked the door. Nimai, 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 Nimai. But that time Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu completely, absolutely chanting holy names with his devotee. Sometimes dancing, sometimes what is called, with the devotees, Naam Sankirtan. So no one can listen. When that the Brahman came and knocked the door. Then that Brahmana, he became very angry with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. That Brahmana, he gave cards to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. What are the cards? Hey Nimai, your sangsar dharma. You are following all the rules and regulations of the sangsar. That will destroy. तुम्हारे संसार धर्म ध्वंस हो. In this way, that Brahmana, he gave cars to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. But at that time Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he did not know who came in his house and knocked the door. Because everybody completely absorbed Nama Sankirtan. The Nama Sankirtan is very powerful. So much happiness, blissfulness will come, Ananda will come. If you chant holy name, very difficult to change. That's a Nama Sankirtan. Mahaprabhu are dancing, singing in the house of Srivastava. But that Brahman, he wanted to enter in the room and join Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Nama Sankirtan. For this regard, he knocked the door, Nimai, 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 Nimai. But no one listened. Because everybody completely absorbed chanting holy names. Then Brahman, he gave cards to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Your sangsar dharma should be destroyed. That means you have to take sannyas. Understand this? This is good or bad? Good. This is true. But who will take sannyas? Very difficult. Especially Kali Yuga, everybody, they want to enjoy the many kinds of material sense gratifications. Isn't it? Kali is the influence of Kali, Kali Prabha. But the Brahman, he gave cards to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Though Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Bhagavan. Bhagavan beyond of his janma, karma and other activities. Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says, janma karma chame dibbam jugati tattva. One who knows about my birth, about my activities, then when he will give up his body, then he will attain my abode. Understand this? So now coming in this way, that Brahmana, he gave cards to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, but no one listened, because everybody inside was room chanting Nama Sankirtan. When Brahmana left, then after few minutes, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu stopped his dancing. And Mahaprabhu is Bhagavan, he knows everything. Then Mahaprabhu, when he heard that Brahman came and he knocked the door, but no one listened and opened the door. For this regard, the Brahman gave him curse. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is very happy. Why? Because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is thinking, I will do Nam Prem Prachar to everybody. Nam Prem Prachar Karya Karite Prabhu Hoina Avatirna. Though Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Krishna appeared in this Kali Yuga, some special religions. What is the special religion? Krishna appeared in this Kali Yuga. Sri Radhaya Pranay Mahima Kidisu Ganima Satjot Satdot Jana Mudharma Kidisu Vamudi Shokkancha Madhunadu Betulvad. Tadbhavada Samajana Sajigarva Sindhu. These are the three regions mentioned in our Shastra Chaitanya Chaitanya. And Krishna is thinking, what is the divine love of Srimati Radhika towards me? Radha Pranay. Sadhojana Madhurma, what is my beauty? Sundarji. And Srimati Radhika, she is always releasing. What is my beauty? I don't know. So Siddhartha Pranayama Kiduso Bhavana Sadhojana Kiduso Bhavana. Shokkancha Madhunbhuta. And when Srimati Radhika, she released my this beauty, what kinds of a realization coming in his heart? For this regard, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, I mean Krishna, he took Srimati Radhika's complexion and her mood. Radhika Rabham Kanti. Churi Kari Avatirna Hoida Krishna Gaura Rupadhari. That means Krishna, he took Srimati Radhika two things. Srimati Radhika's mood and her complexion. What complexion?
The golden.
Golden complexion. This. We are Chaitanya Mahaprabhu thinking. And okay, I will accept the curse of the Brahmana. He is Bhagavan. How possible his body mind will contaminate with the curse of not possible. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he is very humble. He accepted. Yes, I will take sannyas. After taking sannyas, I will preach Nam Sankirtan everywhere. This is Nam Sankirtan. So now coming in this age, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he came in after taking sannyas. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came in Jagannath Puri. Then he delivered Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya. Was very learned and scholar's person. Actually, he is called the incarnation of Brihaspati. Brihaspati avatar. Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya. But actually this role is as like impartialist. Mayavadi. But Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu defeated him also. And then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu showed his 6 arms, Sarabhuj Darshan. And Mahaprabhu proved, I am same Tretaju in the form of Krishna. I am same Daparju in the form of Tretaju Ramchandra. Or Daparju, I am same Krishna. Or in this Kaliju, I am same Sarnasi, Gaura Sundar, Seshananda. And Sarabhuj Darshan. Ram Sarup, Krishna Sarup, and Gauranga Sarup. And he showed to Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya. Then Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya completely surrendered the lotus feet of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So then Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, he recited many stava stuti. This Vairagya Yoga, Vairagya Vidya, Yogakti Yoga, Sikchartha Mekam, Prana Bhusha. Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, he recited many verses and glorification of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. That is called Sarvabhauma Uddhar. What did he say? Sarvabhauma Uddhar. He delivered us. And Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya. And gave Krishna praise. So now coming in this way, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is called the incarnation of Udar. Udarjamay Vigraha. Magnanimous. And this is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He did not discriminate who is qualified or who is unqualified. Jare dekhe tare dhyan prem bilaya. Whatever he looks, he distributes his prem. Say this prem. He distributed the prem in Jharikhanda. You know Jharikhanda? And he gave to everyone. In the jungle, forest. And tiger, lion, elephant. And he gave to everybody. Look at Mahaprabhu, how is embodiment of magnificent and Krishna, he distributed the prem only in Braj and Vrindavan. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Sachidananda Gaurari, he distributed this prem to everyone. Inside Braj, outside Braj also. Yeah? He gave this prem, highest prem, to everybody. Pasupaki jure pasano vidare sunijaro gunogara. If you listen, the name of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Gaura Sundar Gaurana, automatically heart will melt. You sing Pasupaki jure. Even the animals, birds, their heart completely melted. So, Pasupaki jure, pasana vidare, sunijaro gunogara. That means how Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is called the embodiment of munificent and magnanimous. Take this way. Heaven as like cloud, even the sorrow rain. Cloud did not discriminate. Oh, I will give this. What is called? Water in this place, no. Cloud never discriminate. In the same way, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he did not discriminate who is qualified and unqualified. Jal deke tare den Krishna Prema. So now coming there, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu traveled South India also. And he gave praying to everybody. Then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave prem in the path of Jharikanda. Tiger, lion, snake, elephant. He gave prem to everybody. Tiger and deer, they completely are intoxicated with that divine love of Srimati Radhika. Tiger also licking the mouth of deer. A deer also licking the mouth of tiger. Possible. Tiger very ferocious and aggressive. And now, by the causeless mercy of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, tiger also lick the mouth of deer. Deer also licking the mouth of tiger. Prem, because it is prem coming. Prem manifested means this kriya automatically, this type of activity is coming. Love is very powerful. When love manifests one's heart, this is a symptom. So much. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he is called the embodiment of magnificent and magnanimous. I told also Krishna gave the prem only in Vrindavan, inside Vrindavan, not outside Vrindavan. Atasya with prem avutanchate. Some glorification of Lord Chaitanya, Krishna also. Aho vakyam stanakala putam jigham zappassadul vedatvrishtam totuvanna kamba dayalu saranam braji. Krishna, he killed the demons, he gave them Saljuja Mukti, oneness in the potency of Lord Saljuja. But Krishna's special mercy, what is his name? Putana. Aho Vakyam Stanakala Kutam Jigham Sappassadul Virdhatvitam Kamba Dayalu Sarnam Bhaji. Putana, she did not perform bhajan and sadhana. Just she disguised in the form of Mother Yashoda. But Krishna killed her all kinds of hypocrisy and what is called? Hypocrisy and duplicity. And Krishna destroyed all his duplicity and hypocrisy. And finally Krishna gave him Braja Prema. So saying, Aho Vakyam Stanakala Kutam जिघांग सप्तस्सादिल धातुजम तत्वन्न कंबाद्यालु शरणं ब्रजम. Look this. But is the one thing Krishna gave this prem only inside Braj, not outside Braj. Our Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he distributed this prem, same prem to everyone. Inside Braj, outside Braj. And who is qualified, who is unqualified. He did not discriminate. Yeah? For this regard, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he is called the embodiment of Udarjamaya Vigraha and full of magnanimity. So now coming this way. In Madhurya Kadambini Grantha, Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad, first sloka, he glorified about Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And he the Bhakti Nava Bhakti Sassa Vitate Sanjivani Sagamaramhi Kama Taportu Daha Damani Visapa Ullasani Duramne Muri E Muru Sakhina Opi Sarasi Bhavayo Bhuat Prabhu Shri Krishna Chaitanya Kripa Nirankuso Maha Madhurya Kadambini. And Vishwanath 25. In this Madhurya Kadambini, first I glorified about Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Okay? Bhakti Purvi Sthita Stantu Rasan Pasit Jadattadi Tangnumi Saditang Rupa Nama Priya Janam Hari. Second verse, Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad glorified about Rupa Goswami Pad and who fulfilled all the desires of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And Sri Chaitanya Manobhishtam Sthapitam Jana Bhutali Swayam Rupa Kadamajjam Dadadi Sapadantika. And Natam Das Thakur Prem Bhakti Chandrika also glorified Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And because it glorified about Rupa Goswami Pad. Because Rupa Goswami Pad, he fulfilled all the desires of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Sri Chaitanya Manobhishtam Sthapitam Jana Bhutali Swayam Rupa Kadamajjam Dadati Sapadantikam. Rupa Goswami Pad, who fulfilled all the desires of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Oh, when I will receive on the sprinkle mercy of Rupa Goswami. Without this mercy of Rupa Goswami, we cannot also serve Divine Lord Radha and Krishna. So here, Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad also glorified about Rupa Goswami Pad. Because Rupa Goswami Pad, he wrote many granthas, Bhakti Granthas. Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, Ujjal Yugmani, Grantha, very. And especially, he scientific way gave the definition about Bhakti. Anna Vilasita Sunnam Gyana Karmatana Vritam Anukulina Krishnanu Silanam Bhakti Uttama Bhakti. Highest devotional service. So here say Bhakti Purvai Sthita Tam Turasam Prasthit Jadattadhi Tam Nomi Sattva Rupa Nama Priyojana Hari. Though previous Acharya in their Grantha also glorified about Bhakti. But Rupa Goswami Pad, very nice and beautiful scientific way, he gave the definition about Shuddha Bhakti. Anna Vilasita Sunnam Gyana Karmadana Pritam Anukulena Krishnanu Silanam Bhakti Uttama. Very nice, beautiful. You know this sloka? Who knows? Or you know? So now coming in this way, so for this regard Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad glorified about Rupa Goswami Pad. Then third verse, Sri Das Thakur, Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad, glorified about Krishna's three aspects. That is called Brahma, Paramatma and Bhagavan. And Srimad Bhagavatam explains Padam Tattva Vidas Tattam Jajagar Madhyam Brahmeti Paramatmati Bhagavan is his name Bhagavan. But he has three aspects. He is called Brahma. He is called Paramatma. And he is called Sarva Sarishchajyam Bhagavan, who has 6 offerings. Every devotee can understand about him according to their own Ras Madhurya. And this thing, not other things. And Krishna's Ras Madhurya 2 ways. One is called opulence, another is called Madhurya. And those who are the devotees of opulence, they like and opulence mood. Those are devotees of Madhurya mood. Madhurya, understand? Sweetness mood. They like Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, this Madhurya. And in this way, Lord Chaitanya distributed this. Sarva Vedanta Sarino Nikhila Pramano Chakravartinam Srimad Bhagavatam Prasatteno Vibryamano Brahmano hi Pradishtaham. Krishna told, also I am same Brahma. Because Brahmavadi, they are thinking Krishna is Brahma. So Krishna says, okay, I am Brahma. What is Brahma? The effulgence, the toenails of Krishna. That is your Brahma. Or Brahma means Krishna's bodily effulgence. That is your Brahma. There are Asuras, those who killed by Lord Vishnu, they march in Brahma. But Krishna is saying, Hapasul, I give these types of prem to my devotee. These things. So now come in this way, Sarvavedanta Saram, Srimad Bhagavatam is Sate. Srimad Bhagavatam is called the essence of all Ved, Purana, Upanishad. Sarvavedanta Saram hi Srimad Bhagavatam is Sate. Badanti tattvadas vidas tattam jaj ganamadhyam brahmeti paramatmi bhagwan is sabdati. He is one. It's called non-dual. Advaitam achyuta anadi ananta rupam. Brahma Samhita. Advaitam achyuta anadi ananta rupam. And he has innumerable forms also. Vaikuntha, Ajudha, Dwaraka, Mathura and Guru Vrindavan. He manifests many forms. He is one. It's called non-dual. But he has spontaneous potency, Achinta, inconceivable potency. In his inconceivable potency, Achinta Sakti, he manifests many forms. Achinta Sakta, Sarva Tadva Vivajiva Vadhana Rupena, Surja Mandala Tatrosme, Padichavi Rupena. Many verses is there. So just I also explained, Nimi Maharaj, he asked the Rishi Munis in this Kali Yuga, who will become our worshipper deities, Ishtadev. And that time, among of the 9 rishis, one rishi, he told this verse. Yatakta Sudhistuja Surishtuja Rajya Lakshmi Dharmishta Arja Vachasha. In this Kali Yuga, when Krishna will appear in the form of Sachinandana Gauri. How do you know he is Sachinandana Gauri? In Tapta Sudhishtuja Surishtuja Rajya Lakshmi, and everybody also, they want name, fame, reputation, wealth, money. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he will give up all these things. And Takta Dharmishta Arjavachasa. Jad Mayamikam Diptipsitam Nadavada. Bandi Mahapurushari Charna. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's glorification. Bhagavad Sloka. Kali Yuga people are thinking, and many demigod is a Bhagavan. If someone looking some black magic something, people also chasing behind to them thinking he is Bhagavan. But that is completely incorrect. That is not true. Understand this? So now coming in this way, here step by step, Madhurya Kadamini Grantha, Vishwanath Chakraborty Pad explain how will develop our bhajan and sadhana. And Shraddha to Asakti, then Asakti to Prem. And Shraddha to Asakti to sadhana bhakti. Then after Asakti, Bhav, that is called Bhava Bhakti. Then after Bhava Bhakti, there is Prema Bhakti. So three kinds of bhakti. Sadhana bhakti, Bhav bhakti and Prem bhakti. And Rupa Goswami was very nicely also glorified. And he gave the definition about this bhakti. Kriti Saddha, Bhavit Saddha, Sa Sadhana Vidha, Nitya Siddhasya Bhavasya Prakatan Hridi Shraddhati. This is the definition about sadhana bhakti. Bhav bhakti, Suddha Sattva, Vijayatma, Prema, Sujjansum Bhavako, Ruchi Vichitta Smarsina, Kidasu, Bhava Uchati. Then explain about Prema Bhakti also. Very nice, beautiful, step by step. And also how an ordinary sadhaka removed all his unearths from his heart. So many obstacles are coming. But explain here. We have 5 obstacles are coming. Loy, Dikshe, Opudvati, Kosai and Rasasai. Madhurya Kadamini, very nice, beautiful Grantha. If you read, then you can realize yourself. Where are you? Your bhakti, where is the Bhakti Devi? Madhurya Kadamini, everything explained. And specially also explain how we will receive this mercy of Krishna. Because Krishna will not give mercy, Kripa. Why? Because Krishna says, I am equal to all the living entities. And Samoham Sabhutesu, Nome Desu, Nome Priya. Who is my enemy? No one. Duryodhana, Dusasana, they are thinking, Krishna, he is their enemy. But Krishna did not think this. Look. And especially Madhurya Kadamini, first chapter, Sri Vishwanath Chakraborty Pad explained how we will chant pure holy names. And Shuddhanam, how we chant. Explain this. Because all our Shastras explain holy names are not different from Sri Hari. Nama Chintamani Krishna Chaitanya Rasa Vigraha Purna Suddha Nitya Mukta Avinna Tvat Nama Nami. There are no difference between Harinam and Sri Hari. You are chanting holy names means you direct meeting with Lord Sri Hari. But maybe not your realization. But when your realization will come, Anubhav, feeling, then day and night cry. Samandha avidya prajantat. Samandha laya bhaje tare Krishna nahi taje. Are sab more akaram. One who receives the knowledge of relationship with Guru and Krishna never will fall down. Even his faith little bit, what is called, slap. Krishna will also hold to him. Srimad Bhagavatam gives evidence. So now coming in this way, Nam Sankirtan, And if we chant Nam Sankirtan, all just the semblance of holy names, Namabhas, all your sinful will be destroyed from the heart. Karma fall, all kinds of karma fall. And footive activity destroyed. One Namabhas, just one semblance of the holy names. Destroy all your unearths, unwanted things. Avidya, Asmita, Rag, Desh, Abhinivesh, Pap, Bij. Even your desire will not come. Commit any sinful activity. Look at this. Harinam, Nama, the glories of Harinam. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. And all your prabdha, aprabdha karma automatically destroyed. Again also explain, Ajamil just gave his son's name, Narayana. And when his Namabhas came, then destroyed all his influence from that. Maybe a question will come. So why Ajamil he did not give up the association of his wife, prostitute? Why? The question will come. Maybe tomorrow we'll discuss. Good man. What is your question?
I have one question about I was recently reading Sri Bhakti Aloka by Bhaktivinoda Thakur. Are you familiar with this book, Sri Bhakti Aloka?
What book?
Sri Bhakti Aloka.
Sri Bhakti Aloka.
It's Bhaktivinoda's commentary on the Upadeshamrita. There's another version that he did a commentary of, but he mentions three types of devotees in this book: Swadnishta, Padanishta, and Nirapeksha. And I wonder if you can go more in depth on these three categories of devotees that Bhaktivinoda is mentioning in his book. You can go more in depth on the Swadnishta, Padanishta, and Nirapeksha on each of them.
Swanishta means Swanishta, Paranishta, and Nirapeksha. Swanishta, those who are following all the rules and regulations of Varnashram Dharma. Swanishta. Varnashram acharata vata purusena para puman Vishnu aradhate pantha nanna tattvasa karma. Swanishta. They are following all the rules and regulations. Paranishta, they have also following all the rules and regulations of Varnashram Dharma, but avoid all kinds of activities. Paramanik, highest. Or Nirapeksha means those are completely what? Renounce. Mahaprabhu also wrote, Nirapeksha na hoile dharma rakhana jai. Nirapeksha, not involved to anyone. Renounce other person. Renounce other person, not involved with the others people. But if Swanishta, Paranishta, you have to depend on them. These are the things. Our Nirapeksha Vaishnava, they are completely detached. Who is crying or who is enjoying sensual pain, you do not. Nirapeksha Vaishnava, these things. This is very important. So Mahaprabhu Nirapeksha na hoile dharma rakshana. Cannot to maintain your own dharma. What is dharma? Do bhajan and sadhana. If you do bhajan and sadhana, should be detached from all the material things. And those who are Swanishta, Paranishta, they are following some rules of the society. They also, what is called, actively some Lokik Bhava. Lokik Bhava, you understand? Lokik Bhava, that is called following some rules and regulations of the society. Just give an example. Indian Vedic culture. If your father, mother die, you have to do some Shraddha Karma Adi you do. And you also attend your family's member, many things, rules and regulations there. But those who are Nirapeksha Vaishnava, completely renounced. They are not thinking anything. As like Sukadeva Goswami Pada. He took birth from the womb of his mother and running towards the jungle. Behind his father Vasudev, calling out. What is saying? Haputra, my son, my son. Jang Pravantu Manubeta Vetu Kiptam, Daipano Birha Katura Ajubhava, Putri Tanma Tarubinedu, Tang Saruhuta Hidang Murimanatosme. You know this look? Tapta in a Jang Pravantu Manubeta Vetu Kiptam, Daipano Birha Katura Ajubhava. When Sukadeva Goswami Pada took birth from the womb of his mother and he was chasing towards the jungle. He did not see left, right. His focus only to Brahma. Behind his father, Vasudev cried. But he did not turn his face. Who is crying? They echo coming. The words of the Haputra, Haputra. Echo, you understand? That is called the vibration and coming down. But here they say, who is your son? Who is your father? Kakashra Putra Parivedana. Who is your father? Who is your mother? Those are Nirapeksha Vaishnava. They completely renounce. So Mahaprabhu Nirapeksha now is Dharma Rakshana na jai.
They don't follow Varnashram Dharma.
They are beyond of Varnashram Dharma and always absorb Krishna Nam, Krishna Katha.
Could I ask one question, little? Like Srila Gurudev, Bhaktivedanta Narayana Goswami Maharaj, he's like Uttam Vaishnava, but externally he's following.
He is externally following, showing to us. Otherwise, Jad Jadati Sista Tattat Iveturajana Sajat Pramanam Kurte Lokastad Unuvartate. If the senior person not following the rules, the junior will not follow the rules. So for this regard, senior person, they also some following the rules. Otherwise not. This is the process. So Uttam Bhagavad is beyond of rules and regulations of society. This is true. But if you listen his advice, so he must be follow the rules and regulations. The other his followers will say, "Oh, you are not following the rules, so why are you giving instruction to us?" Uttam Bhagavad is always absorbed. Remembering pastimes of Krishna, Krishna Ashtaka. This is actually. But external, he is following all the rules. Sadhaka Rupena, Siddha Rupena, Chatra. In sadhak form, he follows all the rules and rules. Or in Siddha form, he always absorbs. Remembering pastimes of Krishna. So Uttam Bhagavad means this. To learn this one. Sadhaka Rupena, Siddha Rupena. In Sadhaka Rupena, chanting holy names, Sankha Prabhuganam Gananati Vikala Vasanu Kratu, Nidrahara vihargati chatto vinidano chajo Radha Krishna gunasmede madhurimanandana sanmohito Vande rupa sanatana raghujugo Srijiva Gopalago. And our 6 Goswamis. They are Uttam Bhagavatam, but they follow all the rules and regulations. And chanting holy name, crying day and night. Or in his Siddharup, Transgender Krishna, Ratri Dine Radha Krishna, Kareso. And Mahaprabhu also told, Mane Mane Siddha Deha Kariya Bhavan, Ratri Dine Radha Krishna, Karai Sevan. Those high class, exalted, Uttam Uttam Mahabhagavad. They are absolute. Radha Krishna, Ashtakali Lila. Ashtakali Lila?
Maharaj, I had a question if you have a second. So I was reading that there's 4 kinds of anarthas, Duskrito, Sukrito, and Bhakti. Yeah, and I understand about Duskritot and Aparatot, but I was wondering if you could explain how you can get anarthas from Bhakti and pious activities, which is Sukritot and Bhaktiot.
No, this is the complete different things.
Pious
activity, that is called Punna Karma.
Punna Karma.
A spiritual pious activities, that is called Sukriti.
Okay.
Pious activities, that is related with Karma Kanda. Charity, donation, helping the poor people. That is called the pious activity, Punna Karma. In this Punna Karma, you will go heaven, again come down. Tetam Bhakta Sakaloka Mishavan Chene Punyama. Spiritual pious activities, Sukriti, which things are related with Guru, Vaishnava and Krishna. As a Tulasi, you are offering water Tulasi. That is what? Punna Karma? No, this is called Sukriti. You give donation to the Brahmana, that is called Punna Karma. Same donation you give to Vaishnava, that is called Sukriti. You feed to poor people, that is called Punna Karma. Or you feed to Vaishnava, that is called Sukriti. Look, same things, just result difference you get. Yeah? You are feeding to poor people, that is called pious activity, Punna Karma. Or you are feeding to Vaishnava, Sukriti. Feeding both. But action kriya difference.
And Bhaktiot?
Pardon?
Bhaktiot? With anarthas that come from Bhakti. How does that?
Bhakti Uttha Anartha. Bhakti Uttha means some Anartha. What is the Bhakti Uttha Anartha? Duskriti Uttha Anartha, Sukriti Uttha Anartha, Bhakti Uttha Anartha. Bhakti Uttha, when you practice Bhakti, and automatically Bhakti, some activity called name, fame, reputation will come out. But if you involve with the name, fame, reputation, that is called sub-branches. Then you lose Bhakti, or Shuddha Bhakti will cover, and you lose. They give an example, the farmer, they are farming in the field, and put some seed. Then the seed coming out, and simultaneously also some grass also come. Look like both are same. But if you are not expert farmer and not clean that the grass, then the origin and the plant of the seed will be also covered. That means is what? If you practice bhakti, Suddha Bhakti, and automatically name, fame, reputation will come. But that name, fame, reputation, everything you have to clean. Prathame upasakar karo chedan. And with expert farmer, he also clean all the grasses. That means upasaka. And upasaka means sub-branches. So bhakti uttanartha, if you practice bhakti, name, fame, reputation, And that will come. This is Bhakti Sthira Bhagavan Chita, Devana Kisarmurti, Mukti Sankutanjali. Then everything will come. Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha, Samaya, Pratisha. This is. But how to? And to remove all kinds of unwanted things. So what will do? If you practice bhakti, everybody will give respect to you. Name, fame, reputation. So how will you free from all kinds of name, fame, reputation? That name, fame, reputation you offer to Guru and Krishna. Mahaprabhu, Tumana na pathive. You will not involve in this. Or if you keep, then you will be suffering. Then your Bhakti Devi will be covered with the name, fame, reputation. This. Okay. Good man.
Very good.
7:30, who is preparing breakfast?
Maybe.
Check.
Maybe Lily.
Nidhi food.
Check. No.
Do
Chili.
you know when we leave for the morning program?